got two swords. The business sword, which is real steel, came from Japan. It's a gift from my wife, my kids, Father's Day. On my birthday, I can't remember. It was a special day for me anyway.
Yeah, I'm special.
This is a wooden sword, a practice sword. Kind of like a teaching sword. So that's why I'm representing the teaching part as I share my artwork. Just a little side note. This painting is called Seasons Change. And you see one tree growing up, and in that tree, you see all the different seasons. The summer, the fall, the winter, and the spring. And then life seasons change. There's a time and a season for everything. So pay attention and recognize what season you're in.
You call this a storm?
Time to move forward. Is it time to be still? Is it time to spring forth new life? Is it time to shed old identity? Wintertime represents being still because everything gets cold and it's harder to move.
I can't get up!
And summertime represents that energy, that sun coming down, feeding you that new life, that expectation, that joy, that grace. Seasons change. Oh yeah, and I call myself Prime SA.
So you met a prime?
I am a prime. I do not take orders from you. But
The Lord showed me one day, prime means to be made ready. Like you prime a canvas, you prime a surface, so it can be ready to be utilized. And I see every day as a learning experience, and every day I'm supposed to learn something to prime me for tomorrow. And the essay just represents Shannon Austin. Pretty simplistic. That's what it is. Prime essay. Seasons change.